Hello there, Algebra students. This is Mr. Casci speaking. I wanted to make a video here and show you guys just kind of a walkthrough of what it's going to look like on Google Classroom. I know a lot of you in my classes have had plenty of experience with Google Classroom because we use it on a pretty much a daily basis in my class, but there are a few changes that I want to make sure that you were aware of before we started. So you're going to be one of these classes, right? Of these intermediate algebra classes. I'll just click on 1A here for you guys to kind of see what an example is. All my classes are going to look the same. They're all set up the same, and whenever I do an assignment or thing, I just send it to all classes anyways. So this first tab, you're going to have 3 tabs up top. You don't have a grades tab, but you're going to have a stream, classwork, and I think you'll have a people tab. I'm not quite sure. This stream is just an update. It's kind of like a news feed on Facebook or a social media app. I don't use this very often. The main thing that you're going to see is this classwork. And so I've created a whole bunch of different things here. And some of them are gray here because they're not live yet. They'll be live on, as you can see, they'll be live on Monday, March 30th. This first topic here is just class logistics. So this would be class attendance. Okay, that's how you would take attendance. That's just a Google form that you'd click on and you fill it out. It's just talking about name and it'll do a timestamp that I know that you were in class. This is going to be an online live chat room through, it's called Google Meets, and during our allotted class time, I will be in that Google Meets in case you need any technology help, or if you need if you have a question on a math problem or anything like that. I'll be in that live chat. It is not required. You do not need to be there, but it's just a designated time, a designated room that I can be there to help out. Next thing down is the online syllabus. So it's going to look a lot like the original syllabus, but there's going to be some tweaks for our online setup, and that's live right now if you want to take a look at that. Just kind of some different things on how what the online system is going to look like, and just a few changes highlighted there. And then we have late work turn-in. So online, it's going to look a lot different if you have late work. Really, all the assignments are going to be open for the rest of the year. It's just I have to kind of keep up on grading. So, and I'll explain a little bit more of this on our first day of class, but if you were to get behind for some reason, this is just a way of letting me know to go grade your late work. And once again, the late work, there won't be a penalty. I won't be taking any points off of it for being late. It'll just be the grade that you get. Obviously there's no late turn-in bin online. This is kind of taking the replace of that bin that was in my classroom. Then if you scroll down here, these two are blank. This is where our online assignments are going to be going. I'm going to be uploading those later on tonight. But these are, I wanted to be clear that this Module 10 Q3 and this Module 3 Q3, these are quarter 3 things that I had in there. They're nothing new. These are all the things that were in there before we started. So I just kind of put them in as in-person assignments. Okay, so this was the exams, these were the different assignments, the quizzes, and all that kind of stuff. Those are in the past. You can still make them up. They are available to do that online, but on Alex. But I just wanted to be clear on this is what we had done before our little break here, and then these this Module 10 polynomials online and Module 11 quadratic functions online. These will be the new things that we have there starting on Monday. So hopefully this video helped kind of understand the where everything is at with your Google Classroom page. And as always, you can email me or contact me by phone. All my contact information is on the syllabus if you want to click on that. But hopefully I will see you on Monday.